2 inches, Mama.
Awesome. 2 inches.
It's cost 2 inches, Daddy.
Okay. It's great. Now open it, see what's in it.
Yeah, let's see what's in. Let's open this up. Mommy will help you. Ready? Rip the paper.
Can you do it?
Can you do it?
Hey, look.
Look at Daddy. Tell him what it is.
Look at Daddy.
What?
Look at.
What is it?
That's a rocket ship.
Wow, what kind of rocket ship?
All systems are go. Mr. Booster, Mickey Mousetronaut. 3, 2, 1.
Can you get it out? Can you get it out?
Yeah.
What kind of rocket ship is it?
Tell Daddy who's it.
That's the Mickey rocket ship. That's when the Goofy goes to Mars.
Really? That's really cool.
Systems are go.
Wow.